Hi students, today we have English and we have activity and I will tell the base and you have to tell me the past simple and then past participle. We have Lewa and Ariazi. The word is make. Make me. He is right and he gets a star and he gets a cross. Our two participants are Ahmed and Abdullah. The word is drink. Drunk. He got the prize, so he gets a star and he gets a cross. Our third participants are Dilair and Anas. The word is fine. Anas got it.
Found from.
He gets a right. He gets a star and he gets a cross. Our fourth participants are Umar and Zayn. The word is dig.
Dig, dot.
He gets a star and he gets